Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Humans Being on Guitar. This tremendous song, featured in the movie Twister, showcases Eddie Van Halen's incredible talent. We'll break down the catchy riffs, intricate finger tapping, and the wonderfully written melodies that make this track a fan favorite. Get ready to dive into the details and bring this powerful Van Halen classic to life on your own instrument. The core of Humans Being lies in its powerful riffs and Eddie's percussive attack. Pay close attention to the E minor chord shapes and the use of power chords throughout the song. There are also arpeggiated sections where Eddie slides into notes, adding a unique flavor. Remember to keep your picking hand dynamic, varying your attack to capture the song's intensity and subtle nuances. This foundation is crucial for nailing the track's signature sound. The solo in Humans Being is a masterclass in Eddie Van Halen's innovative style. It features intricate finger tapping, a hallmark of his playing, which requires precision and practice. Pay attention to the expressive use of bends and vibrato, which give the solo a vocal quality. There are also specific trills and muted notes that contribute to the solo's unique phrasing. Mastering these elements will help you capture the full emotional impact of this iconic guitar work. To truly play Humans Being like Eddie, focus on dynamics, the variations in volume and intensity. Practice transitioning between softer and louder sections, using palm muting for percussive accents and open string chugs for rhythmic drive. Start practicing each section at a slow tempo, gradually increasing speed while maintaining accuracy and feel. Consistent, mindful practice will help you internalize the song's nuances and deliver a powerful, authentic performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.